closed. Ah, it looks super empty here, man. So, here I am. Taco Casa. It looks empty, dude. It's super empty. Yeah. Oh, she's here. Yeah. So here's the food. I'll see what it tastes like. I'm just trying a little bit of sauce. I'm not really a salsa person. I know you can see that. It's basic. So they're supposed to be like in competition with like Taco Bueno and Taco Bell. I think that's what they're trying to do, this Taco Casa place. The reason I went is because I noticed that the cheese is cheddar cheese, not that disgusting mozzarella cheese that's at all, you know, on all the other burritos at the other restaurants like in Texas. So that's why I really want to try it. I'm not expecting much from it, but Sailor Moon just came on here. I just made it back on time. You know, I want to have something to eat while I watch the show. So, the only meat they have is beef. I don't eat beef. So I just got bean and cheese burrito. Someone else in my family only likes fish tacos. They don't have fish or anything. So just burritos and one taco salad with no meat. So no chicken, no fish or any other kind of meat. So I'm not sure the company's going to last long with their options. Their options are limited, as I just said. The only meat is beef. There was one UPS guy that showed up to sit down and eat. He just arrived when I did. There was a couple, some guy and some girl were outside eating. Didn't look like they were having a good time anyway. He went inside and then she was sort of asleep at one point. And then when I went in there, just one guy working, black dude. And I asked him, I said, "You the only one working here?" And he said there's only one other guy in the back. So only two people working this spot, and really just one at the front who was making my food. So let me try it out. So yeah, you know, I grew up with Taco Bueno. And I haven't had Taco Bueno in like over a decade now. And I stopped eating when I was in college. And when they switched over to the, I think, Pepsi products or something like that. And because it tasted weird. And then I stopped eating Taco Bueno years ago. That was before I experienced like Aliberto's Mexican, you know, food out in Arizona, right? It was the best burrito I've ever had. And so, this tastes very similar to Taco Bueno from what I remember. To be completely honest. It's not too much different, you know. Again, nothing amazing, but it just tastes similar to that.